YouTube? So today I've got to relocate the Jag from the garage that it's at and take it to my sister's house, who has very kindly allowed me the use of their spare parking space. So massive shout out to you, little sis, thank you very much. Yeah, I can't keep it at the garage any longer. They need the space, so which is fine. I've got to go put the bumper back on basically. I can't just drive the car to my sister's house because I need to make it safe. And at the minute the bumper has only been held on by 2 screws on the top and 2 screws on the bottom. Here we go. Well, thankfully the rain has stopped. Oh, minging. Oh, here we go again. So this back door doesn't unlock with the key. Right, so let's pop this bit back in the car. Now it's supposed to attach here, but that has obviously snapped off. Pop the arch liner back in, and obviously the same on the other side. So now I've put the headlight back in and I can see it doesn't line up properly, and I think this slam panel has actually moved. I'm going to use some science. So if we look at the distance there on that bolt, just up to the first thread, right? On this side that isn't bent, it's a good 3 or 4 millimeters different, which will be why the position of that headlight looks wrong. But hopefully that'll all be cured once I've replaced the slam panel. Oh. Okay, that came off easier than I thought it would. Well, this isn't coming off very well. Ah, ye old trusty nectar card. That's working. Excellent. Nearly there. Ah, that'll do. And another thing, the spare wheel is an optional extra. This is what you get as standard. Cool little tyre inflator by Continental. So yeah, win. Oh, and if anyone was wondering, it has air suspension on the rear of the car. It's self-leveling because it's the estate, and they think, oh, you're going to chuck a load of weight in it. So you get an air tank and a pump to lift and lower the suspension, which is quite cool. Okay, so test drive time. Oh, it still starts, which is good. Oh, that's going to be annoying. Okay, so when I took the bumper off, I've accidentally pushed in one of the sensors on the front bumper, so it's obviously not very happy with me. Oh! Stop beeping. Okay, right. There, right. Okay. Oh, here we go. Okay, so... Okay, that's interesting. The colours, I swear, are different on the Speedo. The trip computer is a different colour. This is kind of blue. Right, I'm going to have to look at mine when I get back in that. Nope, it's exactly the same colour. Gearbox seems smooth. Brakes work. All in all, this is fine. Actually, drives a little bit straighter than mine. I need to put new discs and pads on the white one because I've got real bad wobble when I'm braking, which means the discs are warped. So I need to put new discs and pads on it, and so this is actually quite nice driving it without that every time I brake. Okay, so this feels a lot softer than mine because the white Jag, it has 20-inch wheels on the white Jag, so the ride is a bit harder. You can hear that metal clanging around. It's bits of car that are in the back that are waiting for me to fit, as you know. Now the previous owner did say at 70 miles an hour there is a whistle from the back door, so I'm on a dual carriage. Let's see. Nope, can't hear a whistle. I can hear a little bit of wind noise. Yes. Okay, so the windscreen wipers do this like squirt on the upstroke thing. It's supposed to be like very cool. It goes squirt, wipe, squirt, wipe. It's very annoying because you can't hold the button down and actually properly soak the windscreen if you need to. But you can change it in SDD. So the Jaguar software, you can change all sorts of stuff. But that is one of the things that I definitely change because it's just very annoying. Yeah, drives great. Very happy. Oh, I meant to check the tyre pressures before I set off. Oh well. They looked alright. Yeah, I can confirm the aircon is definitely working. It's lovely. Absolutely lovely. Fantastic. Can I just say thank you to everyone that's liked and subscribed and commented. I can't believe there's nearly 500 people that want to watch this. It's amazing. Right, so you'll be happy to know you are on the tripod. Got to get this bumper off again, get the headlight out, and let's get that slam panel out. Right, so I've had a real busy day. It's 7:15 in the evening. I'm going to use what sunlight I've got left to try and get this done. Probably not a lot. Ta-da! Oh, I forgot about this pipe. I've got limited tools because I've left my socket set at a customer's. So I'm just kind of making do with what I've got, which is why this screwdriver is attached to this extension, to this extension, to this ratchet. It's my backup. I mean, obviously it doesn't need to be this long, but I needed it to be this long to do the ones to the corner of the bumper. So I just figured I'd keep it like that. Now we're back where we were last week. I'm going to get some hate for this, but I really don't want to degas the aircon, drain all the water, get those radiators out of the way to be able to just remove this. So I'm going to make a little access hole, which arguably is much better than bending back a bent piece of metal, right? So I've actually ended up having to use a hammer and a screwdriver on this side. I'm pretty sure I can get a ratchet spanner in that side, so yeah, I haven't done the best of jobs, but it was really awkward. coming out. It's coming out. I want the world to know. Got to let it show. Oh. One down. One to go. See ya. So I have my ratchet spanner. I also have this tiny little spanner as well, which might help. But I reckon I can get in there. You can see it. Okay, I've managed to get it undone to a point where I can get it out. I'm gonna have to bend this bracket back, but that was bent anyway. Now I need to take these latches off, so let's do that. I'll put you back on the tripod so you don't moan at me. And I'm hoping I can just leave these attached with the cable. But we'll see. Yep. Why would they thread it through a hole like that you can't take off? It's stupid. Aha, right. So if you can see this, dun 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 dun, the joys of a tripod. Okay, so in the back, I've got to get this cable out of here, but to do that I need to take this plastic bit off, and to do that I think we can get in here, yeah, push that in there. Quite awkward to do, to be honest. Right. Okay, that's some sort of... that's a micro switch. You hear it? That's telling the car that the bonnet's open, closed, other way. Right, now we can get this off. Pop that out. And... pop that out. And pop that out. Oh man! Why? If I undo that, will that come out of there? No. That circlip does nothing. He says as he's putting it back on. So that obviously will fit through there. So we now need to take it off this latch as well. Doing. Ta-da! Right, that's that untangled. So now there's these sensors here. Unplug,
unplug, unbolt, and then hopefully the whole thing will just come off. That's the plan, right? Oh, do you know what? I'm going to unbolt them because that way I don't have to unplug them. So I'm a bit worried they're airbag sensors. Don't hold me to it, I don't know what they are. But they're at the front on a crash bar. So probably something to do with crashing. Da, 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 da. Right, memento trutho. Oh yeah, that bolt's still kind of in there. Yeah. And that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, is what a Jag looks like with no front end. Cool, eh? So, join me next time where I will be trying to put this back together. Oh, and so don't worry about this bit that I destroyed. It was already kind of destroyed and I'm going to replace it anyway. But now the slam panel's off, it's much easier to remove. So yeah. Woo! Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked it and you haven't done so already, please subscribe. It means the world to me, and I can't believe there's nearly 500 people out there that actually want to see me do this. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.